Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Uncovered. I know it has been a while since I don't release videos, but unfortunately my full-time work has been more demanding of late and I had to take some time off from doing these videos. But now I hope to be able to create videos on a more regular basis. And today I will share my experience with different crypto exchanges. I will discuss the reasons why I joined these exchanges, their pros and cons based on my personal experience. I will talk in chronological order and I will share 4 different exchanges that I have joined. And this video is not personal recommendation to join these brokers. It is simply documenting my journey in the hopes that it will help you see what these brokers have to offer from the lights of an actual user. And before we get started, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the video to get shown to other users like yourself. And if you like crypto topics, please subscribe to the channel. It would be great to have you join our community. And if you have friends and family that also like these topics, don't forget to share the video and the channel. It will really help us to grow and to have more content released on a timely basis. All right, everyone. So without any delay, you can see the first exchange that I started with was Etoro. And I started with Etoro about 3 years ago as a complete beginner. And when you start in crypto, you worry about if the exchange is going to steal your cryptocurrency, if cryptocurrency is going to be hacked, and if the exchange is going to disappear. So for me, I went for eToro because they have other markets. So they are regulated on stocks and ETFs and commodities, Forex, and so on. Crypto is not regulated, but they share other markets as well. So for me, it felt a bit safer. They have this community feel with a social platform where you can ask questions and people will share their thoughts. I completely ignore that part now because I feel that a lot of people sharing on those platforms are either complete beginners trying to get a sense of the market, and the people answering are also beginners, and the answers can be inaccurate and very emotional and takes away your focus. So I completely ignore that part now when I check my eToro account. I have holdings on eToro because I started with eToro. One of the features that are very negative in terms of eToro share comparing with other exchanges is the high spreads, because eToro, when I joined, used to be 3 to 5% depending on the cryptocurrency that you were purchasing, and now they reduced to 1% on the buy, 1% on the sell side. So it's better than it was before, but it's very expensive. And the crypto offerings are very limited. They have about 30 cryptocurrencies more or less now. And when I joined, it used to be about 15 to 20 maximum. And in terms of crypto offerings, like they offer very limited staking because again, they're not a exclusively cryptocurrency exchange. So yeah, I still hold funds on eToro because I bought it and I'm holding. And when I sell and I realize that spread again, then I will decide if I want to change exchanges or so on. But for now, I still hold my funds there, but I do not deposit anymore. I deposit on other exchanges and I look for different opportunities. All right, everyone, as you can see, the second cryptocurrency exchange that I joined was Binance. Binance have over 600 cryptocurrencies, as you can see, and they're the biggest crypto exchange by volume. They have $76 billion in the 24-hour trading volume, and it fixes the main problem I had with eToro, which was the crazy high spreads. So here, the transaction fees are 0.1%, and even now that eToro reduced to 1%, it's still 10 times higher than Binance, which is a pure cryptocurrency exchange. Everything is focused and tailored for the crypto market. So you also have exposure to staking and NFTs. They have an NFT market. And if you like BNB, which is the Binance coin, you can put it on the vault and you get airdropped so many tokens that either use the launchpad or launch pool and the Binance exchange. And the spreads are very low. The deposit features are very good. There's many locations, so it's very hard to cover all of them, but every single location has different options to deposit. One of the things with Binance is that once you get deeper into cryptocurrency market, you see that these 600 coins that are listed, uh, Binance does their due diligence for you, which is good. So if you're starting with cryptocurrency, it's less risky, let's say. I think cryptocurrency is risky as a whole. You have to be very aware of that. But Binance does some due diligence for you on the projects. So if the project stop giving the right documentation and the right information, Binance will actually delist them. So these projects available on Binance are, let's say, less risky than others that are not on Binance. But also, once they come to Binance, they already have a large valuation, or they increased in value a lot. And if you want to find those really hidden gems, you need to go to other exchanges to try to find these hidden gems that are not listed on Binance or Coinbase in the US as well. All right, so the third cryptocurrency exchange I joined was Gateio. I joined Gateio already in a more advanced phase of my crypto journey. Looking for hidden cap gems, those projects where I did not get listed on Binance or Coinbase. And I already understood the market, the risks that were involved. And some of the pros with Gateio, as I said, they list smaller cap projects where you'll be finding some of those hidden gems. Another thing is you have access to copy trading, where you're able to copy different traders and create different strategies. You can create your own strategy based on different indicators as well. And if you do well, people will be following you. I don't do that myself, but it is available. And some people don't like to run their own cryptocurrency portfolio. They rather invest on someone else that has a better track record. So it's available on Gate.io. One of the cons is that when you put orders, they do not have a market order. You have to put a price. And if you want to buy on the market right now, if you want to buy, let's say, 1 Bitcoin right now, like you do in other exchanges, you just put a market order, 1 Bitcoin, and or a certain amount of money. I want to buy $10,000 worth of Bitcoin. You purchase for whatever price Bitcoin would be to fill that order. But with Gate.io, they do not have the market order, so you have to put a price that you want to buy at. Good and bad. Good that you get the price that you wanted, but bad if the market moves, you stay waiting for that cryptocurrency, and it might never fill up the order. So if you want to buy Bitcoin, you put $10,000 worth of Bitcoin at $43,000. But then if Bitcoin goes up, you will never buy that Bitcoin because you will never fill your order. So this is one of the complaints on the tutorial that I made about Gate.io that users have. And also for smaller cap coins, apparently when you withdraw, the fees are quite high. I didn't experience that. I didn't withdraw any low cap coins myself, but on the video as well, some of the comments from the users is that they were quite high. But I use Gate.io constantly. They have a lot of good products that are not listed on other exchanges. So if you're looking for those hidden low cap coins, then perhaps one of the exchanges you want to try. All right, so the last exchange I joined recently was about 2-3 months ago, was Kucoin. They're very similar to Gate.io in terms of the offerings. As a matter of fact, Binance, Gate.io, and Kucoin have very similar layouts, perhaps to make it easy for people to navigate between the two. So the smaller, or the three, the small exchanges, they kind of copy, in a sense, Binance format. So if you've seen the three websites, they look very, very similar on the menus and how they come across. Kucoin is also, like Gate.io, a smaller exchange, and they have a lot of the low cap hidden gems. Again, 600 coins, you can see it here. And for me, the reason why I joined Kucoin, I believe the two, Kucoin and Gate.io, very similar in offerings and very similar in the ease to join and to trade. But I joined because I like velas. I've been investing lately in velas, not financial advice, token VLX. But if you watch my video on velas on the channel, you will see that velas has different blockchains. And if you want to buy velas on the velas blockchain, it's only offered in a few very small exchanges or on KuCoin. So I did that so I can purchase velas on the velas exchange, and I do not have to pay for bridging fees, which are very, very high. So if I can buy the velas on the correct chain and withdraw to my MetaMask and then go from there, for me, it was one of the reasons to join KuCoin. But again, the projects similar to Gate.io, they're new actually, and there's a lot of risk, or an increased risk, right? So if you want to find those low cap hidden gems, you're going to be running higher risks than other projects. But Kucoin and Gateio, very, very nice exchange. I use both currently, as well as Binance. So this will bring this video to an end. I hope you enjoyed the video. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you can. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. And let us know in the comment section which exchanges do you use. Do you have any features that I didn't discuss that you want to share with the community? By all means, feel free to do so. And I'll see you on the next video.